What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a complete TGV kit for my 2017 WRX. This is from ibuildracecars.com. So without further ado, let's do this. Alright guys, so this is not going to be a complete install video because it is relatively easy. You're just removing a few bolts out of your intake manifold and just sliding out your TGVs, or even if you have a TGV delete kit like I did, as you'll see, it makes it a whole lot easier. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. So with these TGV deletes, you're going to want to make sure you get either a Pro Tune or an E-Tune. You get the most power out of them. Make sure you stay tuned for Friday's video. You're not going to want to miss that. And as always, please remember you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace!